Hey everyone, I'm Shivank Singh. I come from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India, and I've basically created a projectile motion calculator. My GitHub is Shivank Singh with an extra H. My edX is Shivank Singh without any H's, and I'm recording this video on the 12th of December 2025. This is the code for my program. You can do this without any libraries. You don't need to install anything. You just need to use math and it asks the user for the velocity at which a projectile was thrown at the angle at which it was thrown at. I'll play the terminal here, and we'll run the demo once. So the velocity, let's say it is 10 meter per second, and angle 1 radian, and we want to know the kinetic energy. And before I click enter on the mass, what it is basically doing, it is calculating the total time it takes for the projectile to go up and come back down, the height, which is the peak height it reaches. The h range is basically the horizontal distance that it covers. And once we click enter, the projectile was thrown at 10 meters per second. It was a mass 32 kgs and took 1.72 seconds to fall back. The initial kinetic energy of the projectile is 1600 joules, thrown at an angle of 1 radians. It reached a peak height of 3.61 meters and covered a total horizontal distance of 9.29 meters. Perfect. I've also created tests for my program, which you can see I run by PyTest, and it passes all 4 of them. You can also try a projectile which is thrown directly upwards. So for example, let's say one, and directly upwards is around 1.56 radians, which is 90 degrees. It is close to that, but not exactly 90 degrees, so we'll get a slight deviation in the answer. No. So it took the projectile 0.2 seconds to fall back to the ground. At this angle, it reached a peak height of 0.05 meters and covered a total distance of 0.0 meters. Perfect. And that is basically what my project is. Thank you so much for watching.